My Naija people, I don't bring no ogbonge pidgin news story. When it comes to two people who love each other well, age not be any problem. So here na 4 Nigerian female celebrities wey marry man wey dey senior. Number 1 na Lola Omotayo and Peter Okoye, aka Mr. P. These two defy all odds, come marry in November 2013. Lola use 6 years stay senior her husband, and their marriage dey blessed with 2 kids. Then they live happily. Like wetin Lola yarn, say Peter dey always tell her say she dey young like 23 years old girl. Number 2 na Diola Ayeni and Dare Atalade. This na another couple wey show say age na just a number, and they don marry for 10 years now. Diola use 8 years stay senior her husband wey be musician Dare, and her husband never get any issue with her age. Number 3 na Kafayat Sharafat and Joseph Ame. Kafayat Sharafat, wey dem know as dancer, choreographer, fitness coach, wey marry a man wey dey use 8 years stay senior. Kafayat Sharafat and Joseph Ame married 2012, and they live happily since then. They get blessing of 2 adorable pikins. Number 4 na Anne Njamaze and Silva Ojesin. Anne be married Shegu Arize, but the marriage scatter. The beautiful actress find love for the hand of a younger man wey be Silva Ojesin, and he used 5 years stay senior her husband. The couple married since 2013, and they live happily for 7 years now. This na Pidgin News Network with the Yarn Pidgin English.